Clevy, you know what we're doing today?
Taco Bell.
I don't know. Let's ride around for a little bit, see what happens. I don't know why that lady stopped so far back, but I'll take it. We don't have anything to do today. What I do want to do, screw around a little bit, have some fun. Those usually tend to be the best videos, right? Right. Oh, let's go off-roading. Let's do that, and then we'll go to Olive Garden. I want to go to Olive Garden. Whoa, whoa. I think we just found a secret way to Round Table Pizza.
Let's get out of here.
You're probably asking me why I want to eat Olive Garden. Well, today's one of those off days. I'm just not feeling it. It's one of those days that I just have some weird vibes. I don't want to go that far. I don't really want to be on the freeway. I just kind of want to stick around town and do normal ass shit. And Olive Garden is normal to me because I love Olive Garden. And you guys like Olive Garden too. Don't act like you don't. Olive Garden is great. Oh. I thought these guys have to play by the same rules we do. Every cruiser I go by, I wave at, doesn't wave, and then the ones I don't wave at, they wave. I'm telling you, today's off. Today's one of those off days. So off that I'm gonna be extra careful today. You probably even noticed I wasn't even all that crazy when we were in the dirt. Sometimes dirt hurts, but not today. Not today. The club cam.
Oh. The fire school. Johnny, you gonna be saving me one day, buddy?
Let's go see Bob.
Keep on pointing at stuff like as if I want to go see fucking Guglielmino, dude. That's not the shit. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna stall.
What's up, Dave? How are you, man?
Good. How about you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Watch your videos all the time.
Chris, what are you doing for the rest of the day? We're gonna go to Olive Garden. Would you like to come?
Sure.
The Garden of Olives.
We're gonna get that soup and salad. All right, but we gotta finish doing some stuff with Bob.
All right, then.
Just say what's up.
What's up, Bobalo? What are you doing? Oh, dude, we got some new stickers. Pitbull tires. Bob, this is very important. You need to hear this, okay?
Like,
come to Papa.
Wait, what is that, dude?
Whoa!
dude.
Haha, I bet you struck it rich now. Vote Gunner for secretary. What?
What is that in there?
Dude, there is money.
It's all AB Link.
Vote for Amber. Amber, you got my vote.
Alright, Bob. Today we're going to be talking about the video sponsor, SiteLock VPN.
What is SiteLock VPN?
Alright, Bob. So SiteLock is a virtual private network that gives you privacy online by connecting you to a random server in a random location so that your data can't be traced.
That's important. Sit still, Bob.
It protects your personal data, passwords, banking, credit card information, work emails, etc. from both hackers and the government.
That's important. Government is lurking. We all know Big Brother's watching.
You can use SiteLock from work, at home, in public school, at Wi-Fi, coffee shops, airports, anywhere you need to be kept safe from those pesky hackers. And the best part is one subscription covers up to 5 devices, so you should be good with all your different tablets, smartphones, computers, whatever you got.
That's a whole household. Follow link in the description box to protect yourself and your family with SiteLock, starting at $3.49 a month. 5 devices. Before we part ways, Bob, want to give a lot of love to SiteLock for supporting this channel through today's video. Thanks, SiteLock. Appreciate it. Later, Bob. All right, Crazy Christopher, you ready to do some off-roading?
No, sir.
What? This bike needs some dirt on it.
Wouldn't hurt, I suppose, but I can't do it. There you go.
Is that the most dirt you've ever had on your bike?
Probably, yes.
All right, Olive Garden, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Columbus, don't wreck into me or him. But if you do wreck into one of us, make sure it's him. Man, you look snazzy.
I'm listening to Britney Spears right now.
You should be listening to Katy Perry. I thought you were a Swifter. Yellow Porsche, watch out. White Prius, really watch out. Seriously, much love for SiteLock for sponsoring today's video. I know it's always a little cringy to watch these videos with these ads in it, but I can't begin to tell you how much it really helps the channel. So I definitely appreciate it. Besides, VPN's something that we should all know about and use. I never used to use it, and every time one of my smart computer friends came over and was messing around with my computer, they were always like, where's your VPN? I'm like, I don't have one. They always looked at me like I was an idiot. Today was a good video sponsor. Thanks. I like running into subscribers. I'm glad we met Chris. He said he'd been watching us for a few years, so cool to go to lunch with Chris. Nice bike too. Let's see if he wants to race me to the white line. Chris, to the white line? Loser buys lunch. Got him. Double or nothing? Yikes. Giving love to the firefighters. Look at all these Priuses. 1, 2, 3. She was laughing.
She was like, no.
All right, tell me when.
No. And then I started watching.
Chris,
Yeah.
Thanks for lunch, sir.
Absolutely, no problem, anytime.
Clevy.
Dude, this place was good, man. I've never been here before, but I will be back. Like right now, dude. I'm going.
Came out to what, 25 bucks?
About 25, yeah.
Damn, I couldn't eat another breadstick if I wanted to. What's it?
Let's go to those $100 steakhouses every video.
Yeah, those days are way over.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Hopefully I can run into you guys again sometime.
Right safe, buddy. What are you doing? Super happy to meet up with Chris. He's a nice guy. Like you all, man. I imagine all you guys watching this video are pretty cool. And I do hope to come across each and every one of you one day. Much love to the patrons of the channel. If you're named right here on the screen, very important to me. I do appreciate you. You help me out tremendously. You really do. Thanks. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Let your friends know about the channel if you think they'd be interested. That always helps. The more people we get watching these videos, the better it works out. Check out my dirt bike channel. Lots of dysfunction over there. Please support the channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.
Oh, good. Hey, okay. Is there? Yeah. Can I park on the dirt for me? What's that? It's a fair property. Can I park on the dirt for me? Oh, you don't want me there? I thought, spots, because they're not bike parking. Oh, you can park in the spot. Oh, okay. You guys are taking a break. Oh, yes, sir. All right, thanks. You guys are taking a break? Or? Yes, sir. Oh, no. That'd be, dangerous to do it here.
guy pull up. I had a guy pull up in a Mustang. Still, I want to still see the circles. He just did. Yeah, I just did a burnout here. So it was so fast that my camera didn't even pick it up almost.
Yeah, okay, sorry.